Hi everyone, this is Lulu. Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, and it's called no makeup. Why it looks no makeup, but we still need makeup? Because makeup not just makes you pretty, it also wakes you up, lifts your spirit up in another way. So let's get started. Okay, now I already moisturized, and as you can see, this is my natural skin of a 30s woman. My skin is okay, but I have many problems under eyes. First step, I'm gonna be taking the primer from Laura Geller to prepare my skin. If you couldn't find this one, I also recommend Too Faced Hangover Primer. I think the good primer is like this, like light cream. Oh, don't forget to take it down to your neck. For concealer, I'm using the one from Wet n Wild. The color is a little bit darker than my skin, so I put it under my eyes, beside my mouth, the dark part of my face. It can help cover the darkness of my skin. And I'm using the small beauty blender. It helps absorb into my skin. For foundation, I highly recommend Maybelline 24 Hours because it's really good for our dry skin type and it's really affordable. I put like little mini pops on my face, then use a beauty blender to help. Oh, there's one thing I almost forgot. Every time before I make up, I always put a very thick coat of the lip balm on my lips because it helps you later to absorb the lipstick. And currently I'm using this blistex. It has some SPF. I also recommend the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It also works very well before your makeup. Okay, now it's time for the setting powder. The one I'm using from Becca, and I'm using a brush to apply it on my face and neck. It helps your face look not shiny. For non-makeup, I choose the Urban Decay Naked Basics Eyeshadow Palette. First, I'm going to go ahead and use the first one named Blow to apply it on my eyelid. It's like a base. The main color I choose is the fourth one from the second row Lockout. I apply it on my eyelid a little bit over the crease. If you think the color is a little bit too heavy, you can use a cotton pad to press a little bit. The one I'm using is from Muji. The last color I'm choosing from this palette is the second one of the second row Actual Bitter. As you can see, I changed my brush into a flat one. Then I just apply it in the end of my eyelid. Then I'm gonna go into this palette, Too Faced White Chocolate Bar. Although it doesn't have a good reputation, but I really like it. Today I just go into this color, Exotic, because it has a very creamy shimmer, and I'm gonna apply it with my finger. It gives the most payoff with my finger. Okay, let's go back to the Urban Decay palette. I'm still choosing the last color, Actual Bitter, to apply it on my lower lash line just to define this area Okay, now the eyeshadow part is done. For eyelash color, I don't recommend this one I'm using because it works not so good. But in the future, if I find someone good, I definitely will recommend for you. For mascara, I love this one from Eyeshadow. In fact, it's just a gift from Eyeshadow when I was buying their products, but it's literally amazing. The eyebrow pencil is from e.l.f. It's just $2 and really good. I like to paint my eyebrow from the middle to the end, then go forward little by little. The secret of painting your eyebrow is just take time. Be patient. Take it easy. Use a cotton bud to take off the actual painting, and use the brush or the pencil to brush your brow naturally. This liquid eyeliner is also a gift from Clinique, but it's really a good one. I like it very much. I just draw it at the end of the color of my eyes because it will make my makeup more natural. Close my eyes for 20 seconds in case the eyeliner will go onto my eyelids. Okay, for the second and last layer of mascara, I'm using this one also as a gift from Clinique, but I don't recommend this one because I don't think it's good. Just I don't want to waste. The makeup of eyes part is done. Wet n Wild color icon, blush. And don't forget to smile, then you know which part you're gonna place on. And I also put some blush on top of my nose and under my chin. It's like give a definition and a highlighter. The bronzer is also from Wet n Wild. I apply it on my cheekbone, a little bit on the sides of my forehead. The lipstick from Marc is my current favorite lipstick. The moisturizing part is really good, and the color is like very natural with a slightly pink undertone. You just apply it on your full lips, and you even don't need a lip liner. Okay, the whole makeup is done, but don't forget one thing, it's the setting spray. This one is from Decay, a lighter makeup setting spray. It helps my makeup last longer and not to look too powdery. So this is my everyday no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoying the tutorial, and I love to take some suggestions. All the products here I'm using today are all from my personal buying. I highly recommend for you. I will put information in the information box. See you on my next video. Bye.